Are slow downloads testing your patience? I've got some good news for you in this video. I'll walk you through a simple method to limit your Wi-Fi or mobile data speed directly from your device settings with no app installation required. So, let's get started. First, open up the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. Find the developer option. If you don't see the developer option there, then tap on About Phone. Next, tap on Software Information. Then tap on Build Number for 7 times and then go back to the settings page. Under the About Phone option, you will find the developer options. Then tap on it. Scroll down again. Here you will find the network download rate limit option. Now tap on it. Here you will find more options to limit download speeds like 128 kbps, 256 kbps, 1 mbps and more. Now, choose which download speed you want to set as a limit, and with that you're now armed with the ability to control your Samsung phone's download speed like a pro. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Until next time, stay savvy and stay connected.